Alright, so today's lab on Gorilla Gardener is to show you phototropism, how plants respond to light. They're attracted to light growth. That's why all the seedlings, if you're growing them, are leaning towards your windows right now. So all you're going to need is some sort of box that closes. I'm going to work with the beans of science again. Pinto beans are my favorite, but any dried grocery store bean works fine. A few extra pieces of cardboard. Potting soil, like this. A tiny cup, preferably a plastic one. You want something that doesn't drain. Scissors, and water. The first thing you're going to do is take that extra piece of cardboard that you have that should be about the width of the box. The shoe box works really well. And grab an extra piece of cardboard. Any type of cardboard works well. If it looks kind of flimsy, cover it with foil and cut a little window in it in one side, like that. So there's a little window because you can see me through it. Cut another window in the side of your box, like this. And then, using duct tape, you're going to get this in there, and I'll show you this way. So you only need one piece of cardboard, which I already taped in there because I cheated it. You can see there's a piece of cardboard with a window here. There's another piece of window there. They don't line up. Now I'm going to put the plant right there in a cup and then close this up. You will also need some duct tape, which I will get in a second. Alright, so before we assemble this maze, ideally what we're going to see because of phototropism, all it is plant hormones regulating the rates of mitosis, causing the plant to look like it can find the light. It is actually navigating towards the light, but not through conscious thought, just through strategic mitosis. So, I'm going to take my cup, remember, no drainage holes. And then we're going to fill it with soil, like that. You only need one bean. So I'm going to put in that one bean, and do not be like little Lenny from Of Mice and Men, or Giant Lenny. Don't crush this thing. What you will do is you're going to press it seed depth in the soil and bury it. It's a delicate little seed. You don't have to bury it like it's a body you're hiding. Alright, so there's the soil with the seed ready to go. There's a window right here. There's another window right here that you can see. I'm going to give this a little bit of water. Just a little bit. It's not going to need too much. And I'm going to put it opposite side of the window. So you've got plant on this side, window here, window up there. And now we're going to close this off. And then using the duct tape, seal up the box for a few weeks. The reason I like to use duct tape is it blocks out more light so it doesn't affect the experiment. And because of that, I'm going to duct tape these other corners as well. The reason why is those little gaps can let in some light. It does not have to be pretty. So now that we've sealed off all light, you can cut this open with scissors if you need to check to see if it needs water. But otherwise, we're going to wait until we see the plant coming up through there, because that means the plant will have started here, grown here through this window, then grown here through this window. The reason why we use beans is they have a big seed. It has a lot of energy, so it gives it the chance to grow bigger before it needs light. So remember, this like the other labs I showed you is not required, but if you have the stuff at home and are bored, feel free to do these. Just make sure you don't damage any countertops. So, have a good day.